SAP Enable Now versus WalkMe Best Digital Adoption Tool for Eastern Africa, struggling with SAP adoption. Businesses across Eastern Africa are investing in SAP, but are employees actually using it effectively? Low adoption equals lost ROI. Implementing SAP systems like S/4HANA is just the first step. Without proper training and guidance, productivity drops and errors increase. SAP Enable Now versus WalkMe. This is where digital adoption platforms like SAP Enable Now and WalkMe come in, helping employees learn and use systems faster. SAP Enable Now, SAP-focused training and simulations, structured learning. SAP Enable Now is designed specifically for SAP environments. It offers interactive training, simulations, and structured learning to help teams master SAP workflows quickly. WalkMe cross-platform support real-time guidance, automation, and analytics. WalkMe, on the other hand, works across multiple applications. It provides real-time guidance, automation, and powerful insights into user behavior. Key comparison: SAP Enable Now, best for SAP training. WalkMe, best for multi-app adoption. If your business relies heavily on SAP, SAP Enable Now is your go-to. But if you use multiple platforms, WalkMe offers more flexibility. Industry relevance. Eastern Africa is going digital. From banking and telecom to government and manufacturing, organizations across Eastern Africa are leveraging these tools to boost efficiency. Call to action: transform your SAP adoption today. Ready to improve SAP adoption in your organization? Choose the right platform and unlock real business value today. Contact Prompt Edify for SAP and digital adoption solutions.